So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 a day simply by reselling done-for-you digital products in the e-learning industry that you don't even have to create yourself. I'm super excited because today we just launched our $1,400 product. That's how it's possible for you to make $1,400 or more in a day. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk, and now I just help people make money online so they can live a life of freedom. So I discovered this business because back in like 2021, my company cut my pay in half. And that's when I decided to figure out how to make money online. And eventually I found this business, and I discovered this business in like early 2024. I launched my business in early 2024, and I've gone on to make multiple five figures with this business so far. I had a lot of $900 days because our other product, we still have this product, but our top selling product was $900 before, but now we just launched the $1,400 product. So I've had many $900 days with the $900 product, but now I'm excited because I'm going to be able to have $1,400 days now. Okay. So to do this business, all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day, and social media. That's it. And basically you just got to get started. You got to set up your business, launch your business. You can set it up in like 1 to 2 days. And then you're just following a 2-hour workday. So basically all you do every day, you're just posting content to social media. You can also go live on social media and copy and paste free ads. So what we're teaching you is attraction marketing. So you don't have to pay for advertising. You don't have to cold message strangers, and you don't have to bother your friends and family. All you do is post content online to social media. You post content, you post ads, you attract customers, you're building your email list. And then once people are inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Okay, it's really that simple. It's not complicated, but you actually got to do it. You got to put in the effort, because like a disclaimer, I'm not guaranteeing your results. Results aren't guaranteed. Everything is based on your own effort, right? Just like I put in effort and I've made thousands of dollars, multiple 5 figures with this business, you also have to put in effort as well. So if you want to learn more, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description and you can check out the details. Now I'm just going to share my screen with you. I'm going to show you how this business works. Okay. So let's go here. See, so when you get started with this business, you're going to get this, everything's already created for you. You're going to have your own sales funnel, right? This is how you make money in your sleep, right? So basically what happens is people are going to go to your link and they're going to go to this capture page. Now I'm using like the same system, the same exact system that I'm using is the same system that you get to use. Okay. So they're going to go here, they're going to put their email in, and then it's going to take them here. They're going to watch this video from my friend and mentor, Michelle. Okay. And then after they watch this video, they're going to go here. Well, here's another video that we sent out to people's emails. Okay. So they're going to watch these 2 videos. Now these 2 videos are doing the selling for you. So you don't have to sell anything because the videos are doing the selling for you. And then there's these different wins from our community: $1,800 day, $1,500 dings, $2,000 day, $3,000 day, $28,000 a month, $10,000 for Danelle. So you see all these different wins, right? And then ultimately it takes people to your sales page, your website, which is this. Okay. Unlock 10 income streams today. Earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business. And now our business is in Spanish too. So look, now it's in Spanish. So now you can market to English-speaking people and you can market to Spanish-speaking people as well. So we have English and Spanish. Okay. So 10 income streams right here. Here's your 10 income streams. So you can earn $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 over and over again. So the 10 income streams are the Spanish. So you got 4 programs in Spanish. Well, you got 5 programs in Spanish and you got 5 programs in English. Those are the 10 income streams. Okay. Because some people will buy English, some people will buy Spanish, right? And then, so like, how would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? $1,400 a day, that's basically $40,000 a month. Okay. And it's like $42,000 a month and $511,000 a year. That's the math on that. Okay. So how would that change your life, right? Even if you got one $1,400 sale a month, that's still like life-changing for most people. Okay. Here's another video to watch. And we have over 56,000 members in our community, $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And what makes us different is you keep 100% profit, and there's certification training, okay, that you can go through as well. So you get certified, right? So you understand how to you become a certified reseller of these programs. And now we're in Spanish too, okay? So there's 42 million people in the US that speak Spanish at home. Spanish is the second most spoken language in the world, okay, after Mandarin, which is like Chinese. people that in China speak Mandarin, if I'm correct. Okay. So there's going to be 138 million Spanish speakers, making it the largest Spanish speaking country in the world if you're in America. Right? There's a lot of Spanish speaking people here. Okay. So, oh, cool. So they can go to the Spanish. Nice. Like I'm just looking at this website myself because it's brand new. Now we're going to teach you how to use AI. Okay. We're adding these AI tools. Here's testimonials you can watch. And here's like where you put your bio. Like this is me. Okay. Here's me. Here's my bio. Boom. There you go. That's me. And then here's all these pictures. So you get to use the same website. So people will go to your website and they'll purchase the $1,400, they'll purchase the $900, or the $600, the $300, or the $100 program. Okay. And every time they buy one of these programs, you get paid instantly 100% profit directly to you. And then you also, excuse me, sorry, I'm just scrolling all over the place. You also get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free, where we have daily mentoring from a millionaire. You get live interactive mentoring from 6- and 7-figure income earners. Okay. And then you get all these bonuses. You get like learn how to create your own communities and monetize them, learn how to create content on Canva, my first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend and mentor, Michelle, 30-day market strategy growth plan, your invisible empire, faceless marketing, and 200 digital product ideas. Okay. So just go to my website, 7figuremonk.com, and you can check it out. Now, if you want to get started with this program, if you want to launch this business, if you want to do what I'm doing, then all you got to do is purchase one of the programs. Okay. One-time purchase, 0 monthly fees. And then once you purchase your program, you're going to have access. Okay. You're going to have access to your program here, right? Inside of Kajabi. So here's your program, for example, right? Here's your certification training, your bonuses. And yeah, one of the first things you want to do is go set up your website. Okay. You want to get your website set up, right? So this is going to show you how to set up your website. So you go here, you get your website set up, right? And then if you don't want to set it up yourself, then we have tech support. They will set it up for you. Okay. They will set up your system for you. It's up to you. I've set it up by myself and I've had them set it up too. So it just depends. Like if you have them set up, then you just don't have to worry about setting it up and you can focus on other things. But if you want to set it up yourself, you can do that as well. So yeah. So then let's go back to your programs. View all my programs. Where is that? Here we go. View all my programs. So if you have this bundle pack, you just go inside of your program. Whatever, it's all the same. Like whatever program you purchase, it's like you just go through your program, right? So you start here, and this is going to show you everything. Phase 1, foundation, CEO mindset, clarity. Phase 2, attraction, get attention. This is the product. It's the program. It's the education. It's information. That's what this is the product. Okay. Then yeah. So phase 3, engagement, build trust, relationships. Phase 4, conversion, turn engagement into income. This is all the stuff you're going to learn. Plus we're always adding more and more stuff to the program. So you go through the program. The program itself teaches you how to make 7 figures online. Okay. And it's proven to work because we have created 7-figure income earners with these programs. So it is proven to work. We teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures online, and we've created 6 and 7-figure income earners with these programs. So there's your program. You just go through the program and that's what you do. And the program is going to teach you how to attract customers and all that stuff, how to brand yourself. And then let's go inside of our community. Okay. So as a bonus, you get access to our community. There's 56,000 people here, right? So all you got to do is introduce yourself. You can ask questions. You can post wins. You can post whatever you want. So let me show you proof that people are making money right now. Okay, let me show you proof. So my first sale, $100. There you go. See, 31 minutes ago, she got her first sale. Okay, $100. Okay, let's find another one. In 21 months, he's earned over $500,000, guys. In 21 months, $500,000 he made. Pretty awesome. Okay. First $900 sale for Andrea. Way to go. You can see like everyone like cheers for you. See, congratulations, amazing, congratulations. Everyone here, we support each other. It's a very positive, safe place, this community. Like you have to be positive. We don't tolerate negativity in our community. It's not tolerated. Here's another one, $100,000. She made $100,000, guys. Okay. She's another 6-figure income earner. We've created over 100. She's one of them. Okay. $100,000 in sales, guys. Let's see another one. Okay. There you go. Well, yeah, there's so many wins. Like here, like Tuesdays, $900 sales. So it's another one. Okay. So those are the wins. Now, if you go into the classroom, now we have bonus trainings here. Getting started here, We have 90-day runs. Like we show you how to make 30K in 90 days. You get a daily coaching from a millionaire inside of the 90-day runs. Okay. Then you can watch the mindset training, social media training, content vault, 6 figures in 6 months, just bonus trainings inside of the community to help you build your business. Okay. Then here's the calendar. This shows you where we have live events. Like for example, we have mindset training tomorrow. Okay. And then we have millionaire mentoring on Monday. Right. So there you go. Live events, tech support, everything's here. And that's the community. So yeah. So like I said, all you got to do is purchase one of the programs, get started, and then you're following the 2-hour workday, you're posting content, you're going live, or you're posting free ads. Now let me share my screen and I'll give you examples of like how I post content, how to go live and how to post free ads. Okay. So if you go to my YouTube channel, right? Now here I do long form videos over 10 minutes. Then I do short form videos. Those are videos that are like, 3 minutes or less. So here's my long form videos all here. Like what I'm creating right now is a long form video. And let's go to my shorts. So here's my short form videos, right?
My name is Dan and I'm from Michigan.
Basically, I'm just doing like either I'm doing little talking videos, right? Talking videos, or I can do B-roll videos, 7-second videos with words on the screen. Okay, that's an ad. 7-second video, B-roll video. So you can see the kind of content that I create, right? To promote my business. Most of my content is promoting this business or is teaching people how to make money online in different ways, but usually I'm promoting this business. It's my number one business that I promote. Okay. So here's my lives. My lives are also recorded. And then also here's a cool thing, posts, like I can do written posts on YouTube. So like I'll do value posts that have nothing to do with business. It's just like educating people or entertaining people, value posts. And then sometimes I'll have business posts. Like this is a business post. I'm marketing my business. Okay. So there you go. And now let me show you how to post free ads. So I forgot to load it. Let me load it real quick. Let me show you how to post free ads, right? Yeah, hold on. So posting free ads is cool. What I like about posting free ads is like really easy to do. So here we go. I can post ads anywhere, United States, any country, guys, any country. Let's go to Michigan because that's where I'm from. Okay, Ann Arbor, make money because that's what we teach people how to do. I can do any of these, it doesn't matter. You see, I've been here before, so my information is already saved. And all I do is I go to my Google Docs, I copy my ad. Okay, I copy it. Ooh, I gotta change this though. I gotta change this to 1400 because now we can earn 1400. Okay, so I copy this. All right, copied. Now I go back and I paste it, and there we go. Okay, now let me just put a couple spaces in between because it's just easier to read. Makes it easier to read if you have some spacing. And yeah, so that's basically it. Yep. And here I can just fill out these incentives. You don't have to, but why not? Time commitment, flexible hours, skill level, no experience, payout frequency, daily, eventually. Yeah, so then let's go here. Let's go here, and I just got to put a picture in. So where are my pictures? My pictures, posting ad pics. There we go. All right, that one's a little outdated, but whatever. Just got to update that with the $1,400 now. Before it was $900, now it's $1,400. So let's view my ad. Here's my ad. So people can go to my ad, right? See, my old ad was learn to earn $900 daily. Now I got to say learn to earn $1,400 daily. So they go to my ad, they read it, they go here, they click on this. It takes them to my capture page. Okay. And then I click on this and it takes them to my YouTube channel. So you can build your YouTube channel by posting free ads too. You can grow your social media channel by posting free ads. Okay. So if you want to get started with this business, go to 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the description. And otherwise, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's stressed out financially and they're looking for ways to make money online, just share this video with them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. I'll see you on the next video. God bless.